Hi everyone, today a new video about the LEGO Star Wars Imperial Armored Marauder. I just bought it yesterday and it's a set that came out the last summer, I think the 1st of August, and of course it's about, as we can see in the box, with the face of the Mandalorian, the series The Mandalorian, and we have in this set 4 minifigs with Greef Karga and 3 Stormtroopers with 1 artillery Stormtrooper that really look great. The box is already open because I extracted the minifig yesterday to check how they look like, and I just love them, especially the Stormtroopers. But we're gonna take a look at it after, when I will construct this transport. And as you can see on the back, we have of course a little scene with Greef Karga attacking the Stormtroopers, trying to kill them, and the little functionalities. Well, as far as I can see, this transport have a lot of functionalities. You can see that you can open almost everywhere. Of course, the shooters, as always in the LEGO Star Wars. You can put your minifigs inside and other things. So we're gonna take a look at it when it will be done, and we see us just after. So now that this Imperial Marauder is done, my first impression that this thing is really good. I feel that it's pretty large. Have a lot of functionalities and have great figs. Really, I feel that for 40 euros you get a great set. But before entering into the details, we're going to take a look at the minifigs and after the functionalities. The first figure, and certainly the main one that we get in this set, is the one of Greef Karga, and it just looks great. I feel that the torso printing and the legs printing that of course go together, and I think that it just looks great. I love the red of the color red of the arms, the details of the bird. The haircut a bit more basic, and of course a bit of printing on the back, but I think that this figure just looks great, and it's a really great addition for your collection of figures, especially in a cheap set like this. So this one is really a yes. And now let's pass to the Stormtroopers, certainly my favorite figures of this set. So the first Stormtrooper that we have, and definitely the highlight of this set, is the artillery Stormtrooper with the kind of yellow line on the helmet here, and you can see here on in the torso, and also on the legs you have a cave of protection here on the shoulder, and behind on his back I imagine munitions. So definitely the best figure of this set in my opinion. It just looks great. Of course LEGO didn't put a lot of work on this one, they just add the yellow color, but what I can say is that the Stormtroopers with this helmet version already look great, so one with a little bit of color is just great. And as you can see, the face, we're gonna remove it, is like a face of course of a angry man, angry clone trooper, but at least it changed a bit from all the faces of clone trooper that we had before that were always the same. So definitely the best figure to have in this set, and I would definitely recommend you to buy 2 or 3 more if you want to have a little army of these ones, because a yellow Stormtrooper like this, it's always welcome. And to finish, we have 2 basic Stormtroopers, but I just need to admit that I love these Stormtroopers. To be honest, it's the first time that I own this new Stormtrooper version with the helmet. I think that is from 2019, something like this, but I just love it. It's just great. I feel that LEGO put a lot of details on the helmet, and it's like more quality, I would say, and these Stormtroopers look definitely more scary, more angry than all the other Stormtroopers that LEGO did before. And yes, they definitely look more serious. You have also the printing on the legs that is always great for your Stormtroopers. And we remove the helmet, you can see that this one have a black face, a man with a black face. So LEGO tried to include different faces under the helmet, and it's not so bad, to be honest, because it changed, as I said, for the Stormtrooper from the angry clone face, really basic, that we had in a lot of sets. So definitely great from LEGO, and I just want more of these ones, and I'm sure that I'm going to try to pick up more of this one because they just are great, and certainly, in my opinion, the best Stormtroopers that you can have in your collection. This Marauder, of course, when you watch it like this, it don't look like wow, there's nothing really aesthetic, I would say, for this transport of Stormtroopers, but it's just a great play value, I would say. As you can see, it's quite large, and this set I think a little bit less than 500 pieces, but it's definitely a great set to play, especially for the kids, because you can open almost everywhere. You can open here, you can open here, but it's not gonna stay like this. You can open on the side, you can open here, of course, here. Also, we're gonna show it here. Well, I mean on the side here too. Here on each side of the Marauder you can open also these doors, if I can. It's not so easy like this, so really definitely amazing in terms of playability, functionalities. Lego couldn't have put more doors and way to play with this set. After, of course, it just matters to pull your troops of Stormtroopers inside. As you can see here, it's not so easy, this entry. You can see that you have two chairs kind of sit here to put your Stormtroopers. Of course it fits inside. I'm gonna try to show you one. I'll try with this one. You can see that it's not so easy to pull it, to be honest. I can struggle a little bit, but at the end you can pull it and you can close, of course. So yeah, definitely great. On each side you have of this compartment, this little part, you have like a kind of box with inscriptions, and as you can see you can of course open it and put whatever thing that you want. Lego didn't choose to give you something in the set, but well, it's like your inspiration. Of course it's not so easy to put it inside and to put it outside, I would say, but yes, definitely great little details, I would say. Of course you got the stud shoulders, as always, as you can see, always works, these things. Here you got you get the cockpit, and with a panel control that is printed, so definitely great. The thing that I like in this set is that there's no stickers. Of course it's full gray and there's no tons of colors, there's no too much details on this transport, but to don't have stickers, sometimes it feels really good, and you can see that Lego can put the effort to don't give stickers and make printed pieces, even for a set that is not so huge. So it's definitely great. And here you can have inside, we're gonna show you, you can turn this compartment, of course, and I think that like normally it's supposed to turn, maybe I put it bad, but I will correct it certainly. Normally we can turn it and close it, I think, I'm not sure, but yes, it definitely look great. You can of course fit a Stormtrooper here also, so definitely a set with a lot of functionalities, a lot of opening doors, opening compartment. Of course you can put your minifigures here, leading this Marauder and trying to attack the Stormtroopers or whatever scenario that you want. So I'm just definitely happy about all these functionalities. For the price, it retails in France at 40 euros. You have enjoying processing of building, I would say, even if all the pieces are like gray or tones of gray, beige, brown, but you have a great selection of minifigures, two Stormtroopers that we never have enough of Stormtroopers, especially this version, an artillery Stormtrooper that is the first time that they appear in a Lego set, Greef Karga, of course a great addition to your collection of characters of The Mandalorian. So definitely a great set. The only thing that I don't like maybe is inside the Marauder, Lego show you how to fit your Stormtroopers, but it's kinda difficult and you suffer a little bit before really arrive to put them well. Otherwise I don't have too much reproach to say about this set. It just look great, and I think that it's a perfect set, especially for the kids. For display it just look great too if you're a fan, of course, of the series of The Mandalorian. So me, I'm really satisfied about this one, and I can't wait to make another video about the other set, the Forge of The Mandalorian, that I bought recently. So we will see us for another review really soon, and just don't hesitate to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.